Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to link your Twitch account to your YouTube account. The first thing you need to do is open Twitch. Make sure you are signed in to the account that you want to connect. Once you are logged in, go to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. When you are inside the Settings page, you will see a list of different tabs. Click on the tab called Connections. This is where you can manage the accounts that are linked to your Twitch profile. Scroll down until you see the YouTube option. Twitch shows a button that says Connect right next to it. Click on Connect. A pop-up window will appear asking you to sign in to your YouTube account. If you are already signed in to YouTube on your browser, it may show your account automatically. If not, you will need to enter your email and password. After signing in, you will be asked to give permission for Twitch and YouTube to be linked together. This is important because it lets Twitch share information with YouTube, such as when you want to export past broadcasts. Read the permissions and then click Allow. Once you confirm the connection, the pop-up window will close. Back on Twitch, you will now see your YouTube account listed under the Connections section. That is all you need to do. Now your Twitch account is linked to YouTube. Thanks for watching.